Hey guys, today I'm working on the Jeep Cherokee. I've got some new parts to install on the Jeep Cherokee. I have a set of the big 3 battery cables. So let me just wait for this weather to clear up and then I'll get to work on the Cherokee. Hey guys, I apologize for any car noise in this one. I live on a pretty busy street and there's just nothing I can do about it. Alright guys, so it's time to start installing the battery cables and the ground cables. So let me get started disconnecting the battery and then we'll see where all these lead and go from there. Okay guys, so the reason I'm replacing all of these is solely because of these. So you can see they're getting pretty chewed up right there, and it's actually disconnected a few times on me, so I've had to clean them up, reconnect them, but they're just pretty nasty. So I brought the big 3 kit for the Cherokees and I'm just going to replace the entire lines because this is a pretty common problem. So all right, let me get started on replacing these. Alright guys, it's raining and my hands are already dirty, so I'm doing my best to keep you clean. I got the last bolt off holding this on. So, should come up now. We're free! Okay guys, let's see if we can figure out where these go. So this says alternator, so fused alternator. Battery positive to starter, okay. That's positive to starter. So this is fused to PDC, I think that's positive disconnect. Battery positive to PDC. I don't know what PDC is. Let's go find this alternator wire. Alright guys, while it rains here, I'm gonna do a little research into how exactly I'm supposed to hook this up. So I'm not sure what the PDC is. And the fuse, I'm guessing that means this, so I'm gonna figure it out. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave you on my head so I can work here. So I figured out where that last red cable went. So this shows alternator to fuse. So I believe that's this one here. I guess I need 13, I think. This is positive disconnect to fuse, and this is positive disconnect to battery terminal. So those two go to the fuse. Okay. Now this is starter to battery positive. Okay, that was all the red. Let's figure out these three. Firewall to cylinder head, that's over on the right side. Battery negative to engine block. All right, let's do that one. Okay, I'm gonna find the engine block ground. I believe that is this one right here. All right, let me get it off the firewall first. Okay, that one's at 13. Can't lose the 10 mil. Ugh, the rain's starting again. Battery negative, this goes to fender. Okay guys, I'm gonna now attach these ones that say battery negative and battery positive to the battery terminals. Alright, let me start putting some of the shroud back on. Like this all to be protected. So this is to the PDC and that's to the alternator. I better hurry up and get this done or I won't be able to edit it because it won't fit on my computer. Alright, that's positive connected. Let me connect this back up before I forget about it. Damn it. Okay. Try to. I got the battery all hooked up there, so let's see if she'll start. I gotta find the keys. Okay, that's a good sign. Let me go clean everything up. Okay guys, I made sure everything was ready. Got the vacuum lines plugged back in. Let's give her a start. Well, that's the Jeep Cherokee done. I had nothing else planned. Okay guys, so that's the Jeep Cherokee done. Oh, you're right. Every time. Well, that's the Jeep Cherokee done. So that's, I got, yeah, I have it planned. Well guys, that's the Jeep Cherokee done. So I got the big 3 upgrade done with the cables, and then I got the new bump stops installed and the new sway bar bushings. So I'll get the other bump stop installed when I get that one in. Feel free to leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time.